Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be demonstrating the RPG project. Yay! Okay, let's go. My idea. This project was inspired by One Piece and Frozen. One thing I actually really like about this project is that the player can nuke their enemies. It's on like the game mode that is rock paper scissors. So if you like win rock paper scissors, your enemies like they just perish. So that's pretty good. Wish I could do that in real life, but I can't. So I don't know. Okay, I created like some features for my projects. It's one of the main ones, or like a few of the main ones are like fight, heal, lottery, continue, and boss fight. That's a picture of Big Mom, and that's Queen Elsa. Me, I'm Queen Elsa. I'm literally her. Okay, I created this project with Python. Yeah, I learned about dictionaries, lists, sets, and functions during the class. Um, Data structures are used to organize data types. The data structures, the data types are integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Functions are used to store blocks of code which can be called, so the block of code can be reused like an infinite amount of times. This is a code example. The enemy sampling dictionary stores stats about the enemies. As you can see here, the enemy's name is Bandit, and it's gonna get nuked. No, bro, what? Okay. The wave list stores a list of enemies for users to fight for each level. Like as you can see here, like when you get to like a certain amount, when you fight a certain amount of enemies and defeat them, a boss spawns. Oh yeah, this is the level up function. So like when you get like XP over 10, then you level up your skills, your 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 stats go up. Okay, demo. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. If you don't want to suck at this game, please find some enemies. Thank you. Then you become the #1 American. American flag emoji, American flag emoji, ego emoji, ego emoji. Wow, ego emoji. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Wow, I got buffed. Now let's fight enemies. As you can see here, this is rock, paper, scissors. 1 is rock, 2 paper, and 3 scissors. So I choose rock. I won. Wow. I'm so good. I'm so good at this game. I'm literally the best. I'm a god. I'm literally a god. Um um Ignore that. Let's do it again. Bro. Okay, let's fight the enemy. Um um can I restart? Can you just edit out the demo part? I'll just redo the demo part. Okay. Demo. Let's run. Okay. Welcome to this game. If you don't want to suck at this game, please fight some enemies. Thank you very much. Then you will become the #1 American. American flag emoji, American flag emoji, eagle emoji, eagle emoji, eagle emoji, eagle emoji, eagle emoji, eagle emoji. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's go. I'm fighting the Nyan Cat. I was forced to spin the wheel, so yeah. Okay. Let's fight an enemy. I choose rock. Yo! I'm so good. I'm a god. I'm literally a god. Two. Yo, bro, the nine gun's gonna get nuked. I'm so good. I'm literally so good. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Oh my gosh. No, then we got buffed. It's fine. I'm like a pro at that, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna like still be better than enemy, so like I will always be better. And um no. This game sucks, bro. Are you kidding me? This game is rigged. Why did I make it like this? That's racially motivated. Girl. Okay, let's go. I defeated Chris Man. Now it's Big Mom. Yo, let's go. Okay. Big Mom. Big Mom. Big Mom. Let's fight her. Let's go. Yes, I attacked her. Haha. No! Bro, I literally got. No. No. No! Ah! I got nuked. No. No. My own game ended me. That's something I cannot stand. I cannot stand by this. I'm gonna sue like the developers on this game, bro. I literally can't. Okay. We finished the demo. Okay. Okay. My favorite part about working on this game is the ability to absolutely annihilate my foes and destroy them in game. You didn't just see me get like nuked. That was like fake. That was what my instructor made like the code to do. Like, if you didn't do that, I would have died. Like, I'm literally a god at this game, so I don't know. Okay, if I were to continue to work on this project, I would add a restart function, even though like technically the like play button is there, but it would be nice to just see it visually. So and then maybe a different game mode other than rock paper scissors, cause and a currency that can be later bought and used to buy power-ups that can nuke my enemies even more. Okay. Thank you so much for listening to my wonderful and extravagant presentation. I hope I have not bothered you way too much, but I hope you enjoyed this.